welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do another unboxing video on these purchases over here, and I already unboxed this one, so we're just going to do another review and what fits inside. So if you want to see, keep watching. So this first purchase right here, this one is something that I've been looking for online for a while now, and it's always sold out. So I asked someone from America at the Grammary, if you're watching, if she could scout this for me, and she got this. I specifically wanted the one in monogram, but I think they were sold out, so this will have to suffice, and I wanted this one too anyway. So alright, it is the mini Pochette. Yes, so I want to use this for like a catch-all. Some people use this just to grab and go, you know, like you can put your card holder, you can put your keys and your phone, and you're gone. But in my case, I think I want to use this just to catch all my necessities and stuff like that. So it comes in this really nice, ooh, nice red, very bright, and then he'll have these things inside. So cool. Love, 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 love. Thank you at the Grammary, and I'll show you what fits inside later, or I could use that as a separate video. Let me know. So the next purchase over here is my Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch. Now the box is quite big, but in the product small. It's only because like the product went this thing won't fit in this box, which is the next sized box down, so they put in the bigger one, and it comes like this with a nice pouch. And ta-da! It is in the monogram print, and this one is made in Spain compared to this one in the Damier Ben. This one is made in, let me check, France. So it's made in France. I got these two SLGs only because I want to use one for the toiletries, which is meant to be this one, but this one with the hand sanitizer and the
what?
It's because this one has like a fabric interior where if you were to put makeup in here, it would make it dirty. So that's why you would use this one instead with the leather interior, so you can wipe it off. Whereas this one, it's better for your, you know, toiletry stuff. Alright, next one. Okay, and this is the last purchase of today's video. This is the YSL LouLou black calfskin leather bag. It is a shoulder bag, so you can use it crossbody as well. If you just, let me just, like that, or you can use it
$80,000 plus a jet on the back end, 20
over the shoulder. So if you open this bag, it has two compartments inside. This one's the big one, and this one's the small one, so this is more roomy. Inside I already have my wallet and my key holder, both in monogram print. Can you tell I'm a fan of monogram print? And let's see what happens if I can fit these, maybe this one and the Damier Ben. Actually, because I cut this video, I stuffed my things inside. So I've got my powder, hang on, got my Maybelline Fit Me powder, I've got my Maybelline eyeliner, my Fenty what is this? I forgot. Wait. Total mental block. It's called a concealer. My mascara from Too Faced, and I've got most of the things I put in here are minis. My Benefits highlighter, my Sunny's Face eyebrow gel thing, mini lipstick from MAC, and a gift from Ate Gremery, a lip gloss from Marc Jacobs. So that's what fits inside. I'm gonna stuff that back all in because I wanted to show you what fits inside. So there you go. I just dumped that all in. Don't really need to play Tetris with this, so let me just, okay, cool, sorry, there you go, it fits inside. Now I'm gonna put it in the first compartment here, just like that, standing up, and I'm gonna put this one inside here. And then I'm going to put my key holder inside there. That was easy. Now for this one, I stuffed this one as well. Whew, it's so hot. I really cannot. So I put my hand sanitizer, my tissue, I put hand cream, and it's vegan coconut and Panadol, or like Nurofen, whatever you guys have, their paracetamol. And let's see if it fits inside this bag. So this one I'll need to play Tetris with, just so I make sure the zippers do not, look, okay, so they're both standing up, and let's see if they actually close. So if it's hard to close, hang on, let me just, there you go, I closed it. Sorry, I just need to do that off cams to make sure. Okay, ready? It does fit inside. It doesn't stress the bag too much. So, see, it's still like pretty nicely done. So yeah, that's the YSL LouLou, and it does fit two separate, you know, SLGs, and then the other two you can even fit like a card holder and maybe a coin purse, just to make sure there's more room. So yeah.